So next up, guys, just gonna do a quick walk around video so you can get a good view of this livestock hauling cart here. Obviously has the hydraulic lift. This one is 14 foot long, 72 inches wide. And then the sides all the way to the top are 65 inches tall, guys. You know, she's in her work clothes, but a unit that the farmer is consigning it. He's owned it since it was new and kept it in pretty dang good working order there throughout the years. You can use these to haul small livestock, goats, sheep, pigs, one barn to another. Guys, you could even modify it, maybe take the sides off and make it into a skid steer hauler too. I've seen that before, but just real handy. Has a lot of applications, but just want to do a quick walk around video there for you. 14 foot, 72 inches wide, and then you got 65 inch sides there, guys. So I'll go, guys, with auction time at Old 20 Auctions.